What is up, YouTube land? This is Chris Catalunya. Before we get into this review, go ahead and check out the link in the description below. I am giving away one of these Supreme AKIRA syringe trays. And all you have to do really is click the link and subscribe to my channel. There are other methods in which you can obtain more entries into this raffle. But yeah, go ahead and check it out. Yes, I know, I'm overdue, but here we go. I'm actually not too sure when I got this purchase. I want to say it was the second to last week of December. I was able to score one of these Supreme wool camp caps, and in orange. Now, orange is definitely not my favorite color, but because of my place of employment, I kind of have to rock it. And scrolling down on the Supreme website and coming across this wool camp cap, I really was hesitant to pulling the trigger because, I mean, it's orange. And it can't just be any orange. It has to be burnt orange. But I crossed my fingers, pulled the trigger, and I finally got my package in. In opening the box, it looked good. It did look like burnt orange. But then once I started comparing to my clothes, it's definitely not burnt orange. This looks more like a Tennessee Volunteer orange. Not a fan. Not a fan of Tennessee, that is. But regardless of it looking like it's Tennessee orange, this cap actually looks pretty dope. Now, this cap is not to be confused with the prior week's release. The prior week's release was by Laura Piana. This cap is a Harris tweed. This cap is a 5-panel, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It features breather holes on both sides, the 2 on the left and then the 2 on the right. And the lining is in black. So if you get your hair dirty or you just sweat a lot, you won't see the dirt here. And it also comes in a snap tab. So you can just press the tab and there it goes. And you snap it back into place. So it's not a snapback, it's a snap tab. Now going back into Harris tweed, taking a look at the inner lining, you'll actually see a label and it says Harris tweed hand woven in the Outer Hebrides. The Hebrides is a place in Scotland. So when Harris tweed puts on a label like this on one of their garments, it's like a seal of quality. It means you're getting good stuff. So this fabric is actually hand woven and it comes from the Cheviot and Scottish blackface sheep. In taking those two strands, it's supposed to make a garment more hardier, more coarse, and more thicker. And because it's wool, it's supposed to keep you really warm. So next time you go shopping, definitely take a look for this label. You'll see it on some ASOS clothing, some clothing at Neiman Marcus, etc. Now let's see for fitment. Putting it on, it feels really comfortable. It definitely feels warm, or that it would keep my head warm. You can adjust the snaps in the back and adjust it towards your size. I think it looks good. And yeah, I don't really have any complaints about it. Again, I wish it was in burnt orange, but still I can rock it with some other outfit and not complain at all. It's legit. This item actually resold for about $54, and looking at StockX or going on to other websites like eBay, it's reselling for about $79. You're not going to get much from this hat. It's pretty much a hat that you would keep and rock your own. So what do you think about this Supreme wool camp cap? Good? Bad? Let me know in the comments below. Like this video if you do enjoy it, and please subscribe to this channel. Don't know if you heard about this new YouTube adpocalypse thing, but it's not a good thing. But go ahead and support your small content creators. And as always, we'll check you later. Cheers.